The MSCEIT has thousands of scientific articles reporting on studies and experiments using it. So it has a scientific basis that is just unmatched.
Validity concerns whether a test measures what it claims to measure. We define emotional intelligence as the capacity to reason about emotions accurately. The MSCEIT has evidence for its validity from several different sources.
In the validity test in the lab, we showed that having a higher emotional intelligence on the MSCEIT led to positive social behaviors, helping other people. In workplace settings, we showed that the MSCEIT predicted who in a group emerged as the leader over time, who had the best ideas, who had the best strategy.
Our preliminary studies with the MSCEIT show that it measures a lot of the same characteristics as the original MSCEIT in a shorter and even more valid fashion. When we were thinking about the MSCEIT, we were also thinking about fairness across groups. And so even before we administered a first MSCEIT item, we asked the designers and item writers who worked with us to be sure to make the items as inclusive as possible throughout the test. Each individual item performed equivalently across groups, and we jettisoned items that were unfair across one group or another. So the test as a whole, we believe, is far fairer than most other tests developed in the area. So the reliability of a test concerns how much you can rely on it to match your actual level of ability. One of the things that we want to make sure of is that when a test provides a score, that score is reasonably representative of, for example, the score that it gives the next week, that it doesn't go up and down dramatically. The overall score on the MSCEIT has a high reliability, meaning that the score that you obtain is very close to a score that represents your actual ability at emotional intelligence.